Okay, so today electrolysis, alright? So anyone heard of electrolysis before?
No.
Okay, electrolysis is about splitting things in liquid. Alright, so first of all, the most important thing in electrolysis is we must have water, or what we call liquid. Okay, so in this example that we are looking at is lead bromide. Okay, this Pb stands for lead. Alright, this Br stands for bromide. Okay, so lead bromide, we are going to split and we are going to get something out from both sides. These two are what we call electrodes. Okay, electrodes. So when the electricity flows, right, the electricity will force all this to ionize. Okay, let's just look at what ionize means first. Anyone? Ionize means you will split, for example, this Pb and Br, it will split it up. So Pb and Br right now is combined together, but after the electricity flows, it will ionize them. Ionize means splitting apart. So for example, Pb will go back to the Pb plus, 2 plus, and Br will go back to Br minus. It will split it up back to the ion form. Okay? So coming back here, alright, looking at anode, we have to write down all the 4 things that will split out from anode. Alright? And because there is water inside, we will have, anyone know formula of water?
H2O.
H2O, thank you. So H2O, it will actually split into H plus OH minus. Alright? So we will have H plus OH minus. Okay, so this anode is what we call the positive side. Alright, because here the electricity, the longer side is always the plus. Okay, so far? Alright? Okay, so on this plus side, which is anode, alright? So because anode is plus, right? Okay, I like to say it like lang zai. Okay, so who is the lang lui? All the negative. So here we have this negative, which is OH minus, and also Br minus. Yes or no? All of this is inside the liquid, or what we call water. Yes or no? So we are going to write it one by one. So here we have OH minus and Br minus. And then on the cathode side, because this side is negative, so here we write negative first, it will attract all the positive. Yes or no? So do you see here, what's the positive? H plus, and on this side? Pb2 plus, no? So we write it out first, okay? And then the next thing is we need to look at the electrochemical series, which is this one here. Okay, so everyone look on this electrochemical series, we want to choose the lowest one. That means whichever is the lowest will get chosen in electrolysis. Okay? Alright, so go and look at this list, alright? So you'll look at this, okay? So this list, this side here is a positive, this side here is a negative. So between these two negative, OH minus and Br minus, who is the lower one in the series? Lower. OH minus, right? So we circle it first. And on the plus side, who is the lower one? H plus. Sure or not? Because where is Pb? Point for me, Pb? Yeah, it's 1 on top. Correct or not? So H plus is lower, yes or no? So that one is the one that we choose. Okay? Okay, there's a reason why we choose the lowest one. Okay, the reason is electrolysis, right? What it does is it forces things, okay, forces all these ions to turn back to the original form. So normally, why do we choose the lower one? Is because the lower one is weaker, and because in this experiment, electrolysis, if it is stronger, it won't get forced back into the original form because the original form is not stable. Do you get what I'm saying? Because all this is their stable form, because they either this side they donate electron and this side they accept electron already. So they are stable already, but this electrolysis will force them back to the unstable form, the not stable version. You get what I'm saying? So normally the weaker one will get chosen. to be like forced back. You get what I'm saying? Okay, clear? Alright, so continuing from there, alright, so if OH minus gets chosen, okay, how will it be forced back to the original form? The chemical equation is this one. For this one, you have to just memorize. Okay, 4OH minus turn into 2H2O plus 4E minus. Okay, so do you see that it comes out with 4 electrons? This one is actually electron, the negative one. It forces it out, okay, then it will absorb it out, go over here and come out here. Then it will come out on the negative side. That is what this electrolysis will do. So once this electron, which is basically electricity, it comes out in the cathode side, the negative side, right? Then the weaker one, in this case H plus, right? It will be forced to take in the electron. So then here we will have H plus plus E minus, because it forced to accept back, because it already donate, but now it force it back. Okay, then it go back to the original H. But H normally is a gas. Yes or no? It's hydrogen gas. Gas must be in two because they have to share electrons. So now we have to balance our equation. So coming out, if we have 2 hydrogen, going in must have 2. And then because there's 2 positive, your electron also must have 2. So 2 minus and 2 plus, so that they balance each other. Clear? Right? For now, we'll just stop here.